Welcome everybody. All right. Welcome to GokuMarket, everybody. So great to see you. Excellent. We got people tuning in from all over the world. We got people here. We got Hong Kong, we got Thailand, we got Netherlands, we got South Africa, Zimbabwe, Nigeria. We got Latin America, of course, Ecuador, Colombia. We got, of course, as well, our dear friends in Poland, Czech Republic as well. Welcome. France is in the house. Very nice. Sweden, Norway as well. Excellent. Canada. Awesome. Lovely. Welcome, everybody. We'll give it a few more minutes before we get started. We got more people joining in. My name is Christian Skoglund. I'm your Chief Marketing Officer here over at GokuMarket. Today we got another jam-packed session here with GokuMarket. All right. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Christian Skoglund, and I am your Chief Marketing Officer here over at GokuMarket. It is always a fantastic pleasure to have you here with me, together with my colleague, Mr. J. Every single Thursday, we are coming to you in this session in order to just share the latest and the greatest with GokuMarket and to talk about the technical analysis of the Bitcoin market. What's going on? Are we going up? Are we going down? Where are we heading, ladies and gentlemen? We're going to soon talk about that together with Mr. J as well. Are you there with me, Mr. J? Would you like to say hi to the community as well? Let's see, we got Mr. J with us. You're waving right there.
Hello, everyone. Yep.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's been a crazy week.
Sorry, Jay.
Yeah, I was saying that it's been a crazy week, and welcome back again, guys. And can't wait to do this week technical analysis and provide you with some updates from the market conditions and how we're looking at the cryptocurrency market in general. So I'm really happy and excited to be predicting things.
Awesome, Mr. J. We're so much looking forward to it as well. I'm going to try to be a little bit more, let's say, quick today about the delivery, about the other opportunities that we have here at GokuMarket, because it's a lot, ladies and gentlemen. So with GokuMarket, we're known as the one marketplace for the blockchain economy. And a lot of people always are wondering, what exactly does that mean, Christian? And so let's go ahead and just start by looking at a quick 1-minute video about what is GokuMarket. Here we go.
Conquer the digital world with GokuMarket, the one and only decentralized and artificial intelligence-driven marketplace where you can perform all real-world activities using cryptocurrencies. At GokuMarket, purchase and top up prepaid debit cards for ATMs and shopping malls, have peer-to-peer e-commerce to shop or sell products, raise funds for projects, trade physical gold, silver, and platinum, book flights, hotels, and rent cars at a discounted rates, buy and top up virtual international SIM cards to make cheap international calls and SMS using cryptocurrencies. GokuMarket is the one platform for all your digital assets needs. GokuMarket is open for everyone, whereas users can optionally choose to participate in affiliate programs and benefit from amazing rewards. Join GokuMarket and become part of the new world. Be ambassador of the blockchain economy. Visit GokuMarket.com or download Android and iOS apps now.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. And as you could see, everybody wants to be the ambassador. Everybody wants to be an affiliate with GokuMarket. Why? because it's an amazing opportunity. And you could also see that we are a mobile first friendly platform. This means that you can do anything and everything straight from your mobile telephone with GokuMarket. It's really, really amazing, ladies and gentlemen. I know so many friends of mine, they don't use computers anymore. They're just using their mobiles for everything. And to have that opportunity to work with GokuMarket and build your own business and your own passive income opportunity straight from your mobile, it's a thumbs up. It's a 5-star. I'm telling you, it's super, super great. So we are a European licensed cryptocurrency exchange and wallet system. You can find us over on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko as well. For those of you who haven't checked us out yet, please head over there and check us out. I'm going to comment on it a little bit later as well. We have an exchange, we have a wallet, and we have a marketplace. Everything for cryptocurrencies that you could possibly imagine or that you could need. And all of it you can, of course, make rewards on as well. We are planning and we are growing on the support of additional fiat currencies as well. You can already use with euros and with Thai baht, and we have more currencies coming on also. Again, the active mobile app user audience is now more than 50,000 active users. On e-commerce, we have more than 500,000 products available worldwide, ranging from Europe to South America to Thailand, and soon also coming to India as well. So again, it's a very, very exciting opportunity here with GokuMarket. All in all, our community is 420,000 users strong. We're in more than 20 countries around the world, and we have a daily trading volume north of 250 million US dollars in exchange trading. We are, of course, again on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. We're supporting fiat currencies. We got hundreds of thousands of products. And we have an active trading community with more than 50,000 traders, people visiting our website and our mobile apps on a daily basis. And then, of course, all the cashbacks and the rewards that are constantly being paid out to the community every single day. Yes, you heard me. We pay rewards every single day. As a matter of fact, you get paid out most of the rewards in real time even. That means they are cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. They are paid out instantly. As soon as somebody is doing something amazing or using GokuMarket, right there is your opportunity to earn something from them as long as they were invited by you. So looking at the live ecosystem here with GokuMarket, I mentioned before, we are a wallet provider. This means that people could use GokuMarket just as a safe storage as well for cryptocurrencies and for your euro currencies as well. Then we have the e-commerce platform. That's where you can buy and sell products related to cryptos as well. That's also part of the referral program. You have the exchange platform where there are 3 different ways where you could be trading depending on the level of experience that you have. Again, GokuMarket is really for beginners. GokuMarket are for people that never heard about Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, and they're coming to us for the very first time. It's such an amazing opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, we have the native token called GMC, the GokuMarket Credit. We have something called the starter kits. That's also a phenomenal product. We have the Fiat Gateway. We have the Autobot Marketplace, which is very, very exciting as well. And then we have today's focus, which is the Bot Plus DeFi. And with this opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, you are going to want to turn your ears up because we are talking about a 250% return opportunity. How does that sound, everybody? I hope that that sounds like a thumbs up or maybe a 2 thumbs up. Who knows? But again, the money sound here at GokuMarket is cha-ching, 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 just like that. We all love to hear that sound and make the money, of course. So the number one thing that you need to qualify for in order to be part of GokuMarket is, do you like to make money? If your answer to that question is yes, you're in the right place, ladies and gentlemen. Right here with GokuMarket is the right place to be, to earn your passive income, to enjoy cryptocurrencies together with GokuMarket. Now, once you get started and once you're earning those rewards, number one, make sure that you have a sponsor. Make sure that somebody invited you. And then, of course, that you also have the opportunity to invite. Are you required to invite anybody to GokuMarket? Absolutely not. It is completely your free of choice to decide if you want to invite anybody. But remember, it doesn't cost anything to join. And if somebody completes their KYC as well, they can get upgraded in rank. They can get a KYC bonus reward. There is just an amazing opportunity to do wonderful things with GokuMarket, ladies and gentlemen. The second thing is, once you have a sponsor, the second thing you want to do is you definitely want to start an AI bot and DeFi. Once you start an AI bot and DeFi, now you have the opportunity to actually start earning affiliate rewards as well, ladies and gentlemen. And we're going to talk about what does that mean in some of the upcoming slides, because of course, everybody is like, yes, I want to earn 250%. Yes, I would like to invite other people. Yes, I would like to earn affiliate rewards as well. Christian, just tell me how. So let's go ahead and let's get started and start zooming in on the product where we can start earning today with the AI bot plus DeFi and affiliate rewards. So this opportunity is for 250% total return. That's the total opportunity, okay? For every bot that you subscribe to. Now, that is over the span of 10 months, ladies and gentlemen. So that means that if you have 250% over 10 months, that means that you have basically 25% per month. Everybody follows me on that, right? 250%, 10 months, 25% per month. Now, does GokuMarket pay out once per month, once per week, every quarter based on result? No. GokuMarket pays out every single day, and we pay out roughly 0.85% every single day. The cryptocurrency industry never sleeps, never stops. The bots are always actively trading. And so as they're trading, as they're making those successful trades, and sometimes going high, sometimes going low, sometimes doing well, sometimes not so well. But either way, on average, we are paying out 0.85% to the community, which is absolutely fantastic. Hang on, let me just go ahead and mute everybody here. There we go. Boom. Okay, so again, GokuMarket pays out rewards every single day, 0.85%. Why do we do that? Well, the answer is simple. We have a whole ecosystem. We have so many more things that we are offering to the community. So we want people to be happy, smiling every single day. And once you're happy, once you're earning those daily rewards, you're waking up in the morning, you're rolling over on the bed, you're checking your telephone, you're like, GokuMarket, AI bot and DeFi. Yes, my money is there. Let's go ahead. Let's buy something new today on e-commerce. Let's transfer some money over for trading. It's time for me to buy into that one crypto that I've been wanting to own for a long time. So all of these opportunities are available for you in GokuMarket. And that's why we want to make sure that we are rewarding you every day, so that every day you can come to GokuMarket and every day you can enjoy the opportunities that we have to offer to you. Now, we're paying out 50% of the rewards in USDT, and we're paying out 50% of the rewards in GMC DeFi. So a lot of people are wondering, okay, what's GMC DeFi? I mean, that's interesting. Of course, everybody knows what is dollar. Everybody knows USDT, right? Now, the GMC DeFi is our native GokuMarket credit currency. It's trading on multiple exchanges. It is powered by both the Ethereum blockchain and the Binance Smart Chain as well. Yes, the BEP20. Yes, the Binance blockchain we are using for the GMC as well. And in addition to that, you can also shop for more than 500,000 products using your GokuMarket credits that you're earning every day. I'm living here in Bangkok, Thailand, and that means that whenever I'm earning GMCs, I could go shopping for them on GokuMarket. And many times I'm buying groceries, even for me and for the family and for everybody that I know, just to eat and enjoy. And of course, we are doing this with rewards from GokuMarket. So there's a tremendous amount of real utility and real use case for your GMC. Of course, you can trade it into Bitcoin, Ethereum. You could also use it for something called the GMC Vault, ladies and gentlemen. This is like a savings account. And I'm going to show you much more about that because that's where I'm sticking my GMC. And I might explain a little bit about that coming up later as well. Now, last year, GMC went up by 154%. And this year, we have a goal. We have a target for $1 for GMC. Now, granted, the last dip of Bitcoin may have, slowly pushed our target down a little bit. But I'm only saying a little bit. I still am very, very bullish on the cryptocurrency as a whole. So let's go ahead and zoom in now on this 250% returns opportunity. This slide right here is what I call the money slide, ladies and gentlemen. This is the cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching slide right here. So in this VIP slide, it shows us that you can subscribe to the bot, the AI bot and DeFi. You could pay with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, or USDT, okay? So you have 4 different currencies that you could be purchasing the bot subscription with. Now, let's pick the example of $2,000. If you have subscribed for $2,000, that means you're going to earn $5,000. That was a profit of how much? 5,000 minus 2, that's 3,000. So you invested 2, you're getting 3,000 more out, of course, 5,000 in total, but 3,000 more, that's 150%. So you have your 100%, you have 150% gain. There is your 250%, ladies and gentlemen. Now remember 10 months. That means that you have 25% per month, which means that your break even is 4 months, ladies and gentlemen. If you are investing $2,000, you're getting $500, $500, $500, and $500. That's 2,000 right there, okay? So just explaining to you at what point do you start to break even in the opportunity. Now, every single day you are getting rewarded in USDT and you are getting rewarded in GMC DeFi as well, okay? So this is the opportunity, which is fantastic because of course, US dollar is not moving. We know $1 is $1, but GMC is constantly moving according to the market trend. And that's what makes it exciting to be such an amazing opportunity, because as the GMC price grows up, it's like a double whammy. If you again are putting your GMC in the vault, not only are you making the 250% on your money, you're also making an additional 12%. But I'm going to show you that coming up in the next slides here. So again, number 1, do you like to make money? Yes, yes, yes. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Number 2, when you are making money, do you think you're going to share this with your friends, your brothers, your sisters, that this is an amazing opportunity, that you're making great money every single day, smiling like crazy? Of course, yes. And then you, of course, want to also earn those affiliate rewards. So what are the rewards to make here? You have direct rewards, you have differential rewards, and you have GMC Vault rewards. And all these 3, like for example, the direct and differential, you get paid in real time. It means that when anybody joins GokuMarket and buys the AI bot, cha-ching, 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 the money comes straight into your rewards wallet. Now let's take a look at the ranks. The ranks, as you can see here on the screen, range from G1 all the way up to G10. So you're starting at 5% affiliate rewards, and you can move all the way up to 20% rewards. You can see right here on this image, right? So there are first two major rewards. You got direct rewards. Everybody knows what that means. We are not a binary. We are not a triple tree or anything matrix at all. We are a uni-level opportunity. This means that everybody that you invite to GokuMarket will be directly connected with you. And it means that that is the business relationship. That is the connection that you have with your community that you are growing with. And now, of course, as they are investing, you're earning direct rewards, cha-ching, cha-ching. And then if they start inviting, now you can earn differential rewards. And right here, let's take a look at this graph. I also recommend the frequently asked questions. That is over on our website. If there's anything more that you're wondering, in addition to what I'm sharing with you, please visit the FAQs. So if you're a G5, you invite a G4, and a G4 invites a G3. Now you've got differential rewards, because look at this. The G3 pays 8% to G4, and then you are a G5 at 10%, which means you're getting the difference, the differential rewards of 2%, ladies and gentlemen. 8 got paid out. You qualified for 10, you're getting 2% difference. That is how differential rewards is working. And then the last one, which is the GMC Vault rewards. This is whenever somebody has GMCs, you know, you're buying them or you're earning them. Now you can put them into the staking. That's called the GMC Vault. Staking is also like a savings account, and you could earn 1% per month or 12% per year. So you could earn up to 12%, ladies and gentlemen. Now, all you have to do is just go on the website or in the app over to the GMC staking, and over there you just basically click on stake. You select how long time you want to stake for. 12% is the best rate you can get, and you just add in your GMC, and now it locks up into the savings account, and you are earning on that every single month. You're getting paid out in US dollar based on the value of your GMC. So imagine if you're locking up a lot. Look at this picture right here. We got 20,346 GMC sitting in the vault, right? And the other opportunity is whenever you're buying the AI bot, if you're buying, or if you're users, or if you're sponsor somebody and they are buying the AI bot, now they have an opportunity to turn on the feature to get 12% more GMC Vault rewards. Please encourage them to do it, because if they go ahead and turn on the 12%, and that means they will get every single daily GMC reward straight into the vault. It's an easy way to compound. It's an easy way in order to put those GMCs immediately into earning more money. A lot of people have been asking for this, ladies and gentlemen, and now they finally have it here at GokuMarket. The compounding with GMC is available using this toggle button. Just press it and get 12% more rewards. And when somebody selects 12%, you are getting 1% more bonus. This is the GMC Vault reward, ladies and gentlemen. Now, very soon, we're going to talk to Jay as well, like very soon, and he's going to show us the 3 simple steps to get started with buying your own AI bot and DeFi. But before we turn over to Jay, I also want to mention to you that we have more rewards. We have more great things with GokuMarket. We have what's called the G Ranks discount. This means that every rank that you are growing up, you're getting 5% more discount on your fees on GokuMarket as well. It's absolutely fantastic. Now, what does it take for you to grow up in your ranks? We have this page here, which shows us what we need to do to achieve and to maintain our G rank. You have 5 different ways to do that. Number 1, you could be doing trading. Number 2, you could earn rewards to grow your ranks. Number 3, you could do shopping on e-commerce and grow up your ranks. Number 4, very popular, the more GMC that you are locking in your GMC vault, wow, you are getting a higher and higher rank by doing this. And number 5, when you are purchasing the AI bot plus DeFi subscription, now whenever you are buying that, you are getting the rank according to the highest bot package that you have purchased. If you're purchasing a $2,000 bot, that means congratulations, you have just qualified for G5 ranking, ladies and gentlemen. Again, if I buy a 1,000 bot, another 1,000 bot, does that mean I have two? No, it does not, ladies and gentlemen. You have to buy individually each and every bot in order to qualify to have the highest amount of rank in GokuMarket, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, now let's go ahead and turn over to my colleague, Mr. J. Are you there, Mr. J? Let's see here if we can ask Mr. J to help us out. And he's going to show us like just how easy it is in order for all of us to basically, in 3 simple steps, deposit euro, which by the way, GokuMarket is the cheapest one in the entire European Union. And then secondly, we're going to convert those euro into Bitcoin. And number 3, we're going to buy that bot for the Bitcoin, and cha-ching, 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 we're going to start earning those every single day rewards. How are you doing, Mr. J? Can you hear us fine?
Hey guys, I'll be showing the 3 simple steps that Chris just mentioned earlier on how to, depositing euros and then using that euros that you have deposit into buying your Bitcoin, and then using Bitcoin to be putting it under Autobot system, where you can, earn the interest by that. So let's start with the first steps. Once you have logged in to your GokuMarket account, you are going to be clicking onto wallets, and then I'll click on to overview here. I'll select main wallet, select cash. In this case, I'm in Thailand, so I will see the options of Thai baht as well. So under euros, I'm going to be showing you guys how to deposit. So you click on to deposit here. Once you click on to deposit, you should be able to see the details of the IBAN number, bank code, the name of the bank details, and also the bank address. So these are references, information that you will have to know and use in order to complete the euro transaction. Please make sure that it can take up to 24 to 48 hours once you have attached and done and completed this whole flow that I'm about to show you. So under deposit methods, I'm going to be selecting SEPA as my depositing method here. And then my payment methods would be, I'll be using IBAN 123 as my example. So in this case, we have 3 options here. I'm going to be just providing you an example of the IBAN 123. The reference number, I'll just put a random number, so 00. Just for example, the amount in this case, I'll be putting 1,000 euro, just for example as well. And then once I have transferred to the amount into these banking details, I'll be using the slip or the receipt to be uploading to confirm that, I have successfully transferred my money into GokuMarket account. So under here, I'll be using here as an example.
And this step right there where you just loaded the screenshot is very important, Mr. J, right? Because number 1, you have to transfer in your own bank, of course, to GokuMarket. But number 2, you have to load the screenshot. Otherwise, GokuMarket doesn't know which transfer that you made belongs to your account, ladies and gentlemen. That is the number 1 reason why you have to load the screenshot as well. So please don't forget, a lot of people do. We get hundreds of these deposits per day, and our team, they need to have that screenshot in order to know exactly which deposit that you made that matches up with the one that's coming in the bank. And also, Jay just did 1,000 euro. Maybe it's a good idea if you do 1,002 euro or 997 euro. Just consider that it makes it easier when it's not an even number as well. All right, let's see here. So it automatically muted you, Jay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, okay. So in this case, I'll be clicking confirm. Oh, maybe I have to change my references number to be something longer. Here, there we go. So it should show deposit request submitted successfully. Now I'm going to be using that euro to purchase my first Bitcoin, or if you already own Bitcoin, then let's say we purchase more Bitcoin for you to own.
Nice, nice.
So you go on to trade, and then you click on instant buy and sells. I'll select BTC as my currency, and I'll choose wallet, and I'll choose pay with. Here in this case it would be euro, and I will be this case using 1,000 euro as my example again. And then I will just click to preview. And then here I will have to, confirm the information that this is the amount of BTC I'll be receiving at this particular time. These are the fees, and this is the amount that I pay. Once I have confirmed that, I'll click on to confirm. And just like that, you have successfully purchased your BTC here. These are the details that I just clicked.
Wow.
That,
Wow. That was so
904.
easy.
Correct. It's very, very, very simple.
Yeah, and also I need to mention the cost. How much is the cost? Why are we the least expensive in Europe? Can you explain that to me? Like, how cheap is this?
The fees, if you can see, is only 17 GMC here by using euros. Is fairly, very cheap.
Okay, now the percentage wise, that's what most people are interested in. So the fee is actually 0.25%, ladies and gentlemen. Now, this is what you are paying to move from euro into Bitcoin. Now, how much did you pay to get your euro into GokuMarket? Well, you only paid maybe, let's say, €3 for your bank transfer, SEPA, it has to be. And then there was a zero deposit fee coming into GokuMarket. I mean, this is amazing, ladies and gentlemen. That is why we are a low cost opportunity here for people to onboard, on ramp and off ramp using euros with GokuMarket, right, Jay?
Yeah, correct, Chris.
It's super great. Okay, so now you've just showed us the first two steps. Now I'm excited. I want to start running my bot. Show me what's next.
So I'll click on to earn here, and then I'll go on to Autobots.
You mean
AI bot plus
plus and
DeFi, I'm sorry.
Here we go.
I'll go on AI bot plus DeFi here. And then I will choose my package. So it ranges from G1 to G10. And G1 start from $50 up to 20,000 US dollar. In this case, I'll be using a G4 package because I just deposited 1,000 euro. So it's easier for you guys to reference. And currency, I will have to make sure that I'll use the same currency that I have just purchased earlier, which is BTC. So I selected my currencies. Now I have an option whether I want to turn this on or off. Some people might be wondering what it is. This is a 12% extra USDT in which the return that you'll be getting will be putting into the vault system where you get even more interest on top of interest. So it's like a double interest features where you can choose the durations of the time. So it goes from 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months. So these have different percentage of USDT total earnings, varies from 3 months to 12 months, from 3% up to 12%. So in this case, I'll be choosing 12%.
I was going to say, of course, I want 12%, Jay. Please pick 12% for me.
Yeah. So I make sure everything looks correct for me, and then I'll just go ahead with one click again by clicking start earning.
Wow. One single click.
And then done. I'll be showing you guys some of the AI bot plus DeFi that I have purchased before. In this case, I'll be choosing a G5 package in which I purchased 3 weeks ago. You can see that the return history is being paid out in daily form, both in USDT and GMC on a daily basis. So you can see that on May 26th, I received 8.3 USDT and 48.6 GMC. So these are being paid out daily, and you can view it under the return history tab. Once you have clicked on your active bot and then click view returns, you can see the details of the transactions on every daily basis. So 14, 15, 16, up to the day of May 27.
I mean, that's amazing, Jay. I mean, it's so simple. Like it was one single click to get started. And you also showed about the GMC Vault right there. You turn on the 12%. Now you're getting those rewards right there on your GMC, the compounding, the reinvesting. And then you said you just view your history. And here you can see every single day, you're getting $8 in dollars. You're getting $8 in GMC. The next day, $8 in dollars, $8 in GMC. I mean, this is so easy. Like even, you know, my mom, my dad, my brother, my sister, they definitely can understand this as well. This is it, Mr. J. So easy, huh? So 3 simple steps. Number 1, deposit your euro into GokuMarket. Number 2, go to buy crypto and change your euro into Bitcoin. It has absolutely a super low fee. And then number 3, just subscribe to your AI bot and DeFi. And then every single day for the next 10 months, you are going to be earning those passive income, ladies and gentlemen. And Jay, I mean, how often could they take out their money? Like when do they earn the money? Every day, right? And what can
Yeah,
they do with it?
yeah. They can, you know, use it for shopping. Let's say in Thailand, we have e-commerce section where you can use those turning it into like iPhones if you really want to purchase an iPhone. And on top of that, you receive like, let's say, cashback on your e-commerce as well. So it's like you're getting deals out of deals out of deals again. You're getting interest, use that interest to buy products, you buy those products, you get cashback system on top of those buying product again. So there's a lot of options that you can use in our platform to be able to, you know, provide utilities to your cryptocurrencies.
Yeah. I mean, here's the deal. GokuMarket is the world's #1 cryptocurrency utilities provider. So that means that we are providing hundreds of thousands of products all in the same marketplace everywhere. And you can do staking, you could do trading advanced, you could do trading classic, you could do instant trading, you can do swapping, you can do buy crypto. You could, I mean, honestly, the list goes on and on and on. And then the AI bot and DeFi, and then the auto bots marketplace, which is new as well. So thank you, Mr. J. This is really, really amazing opportunities. Now, I'm just going to take the screen back for 1 minute, and then we're going to bounce it right back over to you again. And I want to mention that now we're heading into the weekly update. And first up in the weekly updates is, of course, Mr. J is going to come back on again, and he's going to start telling us now about what's been going on in the market. It's been a crazy week, and we got lots of excitement to look forward to. So Jay, he does a little bit of an educational session where we talk about technical analysis. And he talks about time frames like exponential moving averages, Elliott wave theory, Fibonacci theory. He looks at the Bitcoin versus dollar daily outlook. He looks at trading candles with hourly, with 4 hourly. And last week, he gave us a potential profitable trade, which had the potential of 25% with Bitcoin growing up in value. This week, he's going to tell us that he's pretty neutral, actually. But that's also because we are still in the middle of our bullish trade opportunity. So look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This was last week's bullish discussion that we were having. And we were all the way down, and we had done a little bit of a bounce last week. And then we came back again. We actually got stopped out if you took last week's trade. Now, if you were progressive enough to get right back into it, you would now be massively up on your way, as Bitcoin has been recovering for the past several days now. So again, Jay is going to tell us more about this, but if we are still in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave, then we are definitely on our way. But let's see, it's not for certain, that's for sure. So again, back over to you, Mr. J, and maybe you can give us a little bit of a heads up on why are you neutral, and what does your bullish scenario, what does your bearish scenario look like here today?
It's very easy to decide it by just looking at the whole thing of here and know that we are in the corrective phase. So when the price move up, there are phases that, you know, we need room for it to breathe a little bit. And now it's obvious that we are in a corrective phase, which is happening in every price movement actions. From the low since March 2020 have been rallying quite a lot, as you guys are aware of, and I think I have mentioned towards this week as well of about I think about end of April that I think we are looking at the ending diagonal wave of this whole massive bull runs where the bulls start losing the momentum and the control of the market, and the bears started jumping in. The bears represent the red color, and the bulls represent the green color. So it's like a tug of war between. It's like a fight between a bull and a bear. They keep winning and they keep losing. No ways that the bull's gonna keep pounding on to the bears and the bears not gonna fight back. So that's why we represent the terminology that way. But once the ending diagonal fifth wave is ended, we can see just the reaction of it, and we just keep going down in corrective phase. You see a corrective phase I have mentioned a few weeks ago as well, that is usually happening in the ABC structures. So in a very clear way, an ABC is happening once five wave are done, according to a Elliott wave theory. So a price is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and then we coming down usually for an ABC. And then this can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, some more. Sorry, it's a little bit improportional, but this is how usually things are looking when it comes to price movement. And then, people play with trend line, people do start drawing stuff according to here, but basic structures, this is how things are going. So in this case, I'm just going to be using an ABC structures here, where now I know that this is an A and a B and a C. So I know that, the bear will start slowly losing momentum towards the end of the C here, where I think last week I was trying to draw a trend line. I think last week we're on the 21st of May. I started to draw and in a 1 hour time frame. So I make sure this touches 1, 2, 3, and when they start breaking up, I'll be entering. Guess what happens? We did break up, but in this area of 42,000, we start losing strength again, and we go into a more of corrective phase, trying to, like, if you think of it as like a bow on an arrow, you need to draw a little bit more in order to shoot up higher. So I don't think we have enough boost or energy to break above there. So this is called a hidden, it's called bull trap. I would say it's called bull trap. So a lot of bulls just being trapped in this price where they think it's going to break up and it's going to be a sudden price movement, but the price failed to do so. Therefore, what happened in the bigger time frame of 4 hours, we can clearly see that this line that we drew from last week, the blue line, if it touches 1, 2, 3, we try to break and stay above, and then we just get this rejection wick. So what I would do, and this is like recommending on every time frame, this could be a 15 minutes, 10 minutes, anything that you do, then, don't be scared. I mean, that's why we have stop loss. Stop loss is going to help you just getting out of it, and you reevaluate what happened. So what I would do in this case usually is I would just move this blue line towards the new slope that I just find. Right. So now I know that this doesn't touch, 3 times like last one, but it should be valid to a certain point because we get a huge rejection here. So now I'm redrawing this blue line, and then I draw a lower resistance here. I can see that Bitcoin's trying to make a lower low, and guess what happened? We're trying to make a lower low. So 1, 2, 3. We can clearly see that we are slowly losing strength coming down. That's why and it plussing with, I think I explained this last week, of when the MACD started just tag along on this line for a long time. So it hucking this thing, and then once it leave, that's when the action happened. If you can see just how it just stays in the middle and not moving out of it, when it happens, look at the reaction of here. Just splash right off.
And I just want to say real quick, Jay, that the picture you're just drawing there with the 2 blue lines, that looks exactly like the momentum that we were just doing on the bull run on the way up. but now
Exactly.
it's on the way
Exactly.
down. And look at what happened to that when we lost the steam up, we came down. Now it's showing like we're losing the steam on the way down. And guess what? The chance of us now getting power to move up is getting higher. So yeah, Mr. J is showing us here again. You see the yellow lines and the blue lines? This is amazing, Jay, what you are showing us.
Yeah. So this is called like an ending triangle, and this happened in the bull run. It's going up on this direction, but on the bear run, you have to flip it on the other way around. So you can see this, the reaction is there. So we are trying to predict this. That's what I'm trying to say. This is what we're trying to predict here. Do you see the matching here? Here and here.
Yeah.
So this, I mean, this is a massive dump of price of 20% profit, right? Like, let's say we applied those to here. I mean, of course, we'll have higher chance of rallying up top. Now, you know, when this break, of course, it breaks, you know, in the middle of the week, and we weren't having technical analysis back then, but now I'm just going to be playing this as it break already. So I would not myself, I would not recommend that people to, you know, trying to go in right now and trying to cash whatever it is out there. But it doesn't sound terrible. It doesn't sound terrible if you have your stop loss in place. I think by the time that we were talking and having a meeting, Chris, I think we are, you know, the market doesn't show itself just yet. And I think we have a bit of a more price movement right now where if we are going to play a long position.
I also want to mention this, Jay, while you're setting that up, that a lot of people always talk about trading from a position of strength, ladies and gentlemen. That's a very generic comment to make, but it's a very important one. So what it means, what Jay is about to show us here is that, let's say you enter the market right now when it's like in the movement upwards already. That is not an act of strength, ladies and gentlemen, to rush into an entry. An act of strength is when you let the market come to you in order to enter into your position from a point of strength. Okay, so let's take a look at this first, like right now what you're showing, Jay, where this is a non-strong entry if you're rushing into the trade. And then we can talk about what if you want to wait it out and let the trade come to you. Let's talk, if you could talk a little bit on that.
Yeah, I think letting the trade comes to you, you of course will have better risk to reward ratio, in which that's important. It's like playing blackjack at a casino. You flip a coin, if your win rate, or if you're gonna keep betting on the heads, you have a win rate of just 50%. So you want to keep doing that, but on the higher ratios that it allows probability for you to win more than you lose. So in this case, if you want to really play this, I would suggest that, you know, it depends on your risk tolerance, but a clear resistance above will be at about 51,000. That's a very strong resistance right now at about 51,000 to 52,000. If you have that patience to hold it for that long and not taking profit on the way up, of course you could play this with even more flexible like stop losses. Like you could allow 20% stop losses, aim for even a higher structure. So this become an okay trade. The question is, how much would you willing to be able to, you know, set your stop loss in which you're in profit? If you're buying it for long term, it doesn't gonna hurt, because, you know, if you can wait for that long and you have your stop loss in place, you're gonna be just fine. But as a weekly trade itself, I would just wait for the dip and then I'll re-enter, because, you know, that is not my forte to try to buy high and then sell higher, because clearly we'll face some sort of resistance at about 43,200, 43,000. So if you buy it now, you have a chance of making 7%, but where would your stop loss be, right? Like that's the hard questions. But if from what I see right now,
so let's say if you enter the trade now up to 41,000 and your stop loss was just below where the last dip is, then that return on investment ratio would be quite low. Like it would probably be like 1
1 to
point
1.
something.
Yeah, it'll be 1 to 1 right now.
1-to-1, that is not an acceptable trade. I mean, as
Yeah.
a trader, Jay, you always want to look at least a 2-to-1 or even a 3-to-1. If you can get anything around a 2-to-1, that is like a reasonable risk and reward. Jay, would you agree on that?
Yeah. Something more than one would just do. Something with more than one for me would just do. But of course, best case would be two. But I mean, if it lower than one, it doesn't make sense as a trade anymore because you're willing to lose more than you win. So if you have a wait a little bit, and then what I would do is when this thing, if it start, if it goes up to this red line of 42, getting rejected. So let's say
Now, Jay, sorry to interrupt. Right there, the little white line, like let's say it doesn't mean it's going to come down and touch it, but if it does, if you let the market come down to you to get in, where would be your buy-in zone right here? Like right, the little white line, like, could you read me some numbers related to that? Where is that at roughly?
You mean this white line?
Yeah, exactly. Like if I just
sorry, Chris. This white line, it represents the retracement of the whole thing. So it's different. I dragged it from above to the top, so it doesn't relate it to this. But what I would say is, I would just do something like this. I drag Fibonacci towards wherever we're gonna find resistance.
Yeah.
So let's say we find resistance right now, okay? Then I'll be looking to buy in my golden ratio pocket as usual. So at 618 and 65, it would be my buy zone with the stop loss just right beneath it, something like this.
Okay.
So if we start breaking this area, guys, very be careful. About 34,000, you get out. Okay, like 34,000 US dollar, we shouldn't break it.
Understood. Okay, this is great. So this is like a trading from a position of strength. This is great.
Yeah. So if it comes down, you could start slowly going in, of course, and then you have your stop loss just right below the 34,000. But make sure if the 34,000 break, you gotta be careful out there because we might head into a lower low.
So the bullish scenario is 51,000. That's the bullish patient scenario. Where if we're still in the third wave on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 not corrective wave, but the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave. Again, it doesn't have to happen in the next week. We could be slowly now progressing upwards. That could be one trade. And then bearish wise, Jay, like where would that take us on the bearish side?
Yeah, so bearish wave would be, this whole thing would be a 1, 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5 somewhere. Now, the third wave usually corrected 382. So what I do is here. That's why I mentioned that 41,000 is just a strong support, because if I'm a bear, I'm not gonna play this. Usually on the third wave, it corrected just a 382 Fibonacci level. A third wave doesn't correct all the way to 51. That's why if it start breaking 41, you could add more. I feel like you could add one. If we break 41,000, you could try to do a play there to a 51. But as long as it's this area hold, the bear is still in power and they can show themselves anytime. So just watch out of there.
Definitely. And I like what you just said. You were talking about what's called a breakout trade. And a breakout trade, ladies and gentlemen, is another very, very excellent strategy to use in crypto. Now, granted, Bitcoin tends to have a lot of fake outs. But generally speaking, if you're entering into big trends and things, like breakout trading can be very successful.
Yes, correct. So under 34,000, we don't look well. If we break above 41,000, I think we are looking at a higher high from there. So that's my summary. That's why we're in this indecisive zone right now, but we're waiting to show ourselves. But we should be able to react if the market going either way. So that's what happened.
Awesome. Wow, Mr. J, I want to keep talking, more and more. I mean, this is like just extremely, extremely interesting what you're showing to us here. But time goes so fast. We're going to hit up a few more updates here before today's session is over. I can't wait to see you next Thursday again. I mean, this is just so extremely, extremely interesting. Everything you're teaching us, everything you're telling us. I mean, I feel like every single week I'm getting a fresh and new lesson about terminology, about trading strategies, how I should be thinking, what I should be doing. You know, of course, everybody has to take their own responsibility. You know, we're not financial advisors, but we're here just to educate. We're here to share our knowledge and our skills, and just do whatever we can to empower you in the GokuMarket community so that you can feel confident and feel comfortable about the trading that you are doing together with us inside of GokuMarket, ladies and gentlemen. So thanks so much for checking this out with Jay. And most of all, thank you, Jay, for passing on a lot of this knowledge. And can't wait to see this next Thursday again, Jay. What are your thoughts? Where are we going, up or down?
I'm very neutral. That's like this week I have to hold my breath a little bit and then see how it goes. Next week I should have something more. But this week I can't say. But if I'm leaning, I'm gonna be depending my decisions based on my daily MACD here. So my daily MACD, I can slowly see a climbing. This is called a stair step climbing. If this continue to making a stair steps, we are bullish. We are going up to 51. As long as this MACD, so keep an eye on a daily MACD. As long as this MACD close, which is in 9 hours, I want to see it close right here. If it close right here, I'm pretty bullish on it. So in 9 hours, I think we should have more answers towards it. This is going to be this decision now, because if it started ticking down, we're definitely going down. If it started going on a positive side, it's going to be massive, because look, the same way. We're hugging the trend line, we're trying to leave it. When we leave, this happened. So, and then look at the uptick here. So this, if it's the angle of this, I really like the curvature here. So hopefully this doesn't curl down, but if it shoot right up, I'm happy with it. And we are in bullish. So I'm 60% bullish, I would say.
Nice. And thank you for even a little bit more from you right then and there. That was awesome with the MACD. So thank you again so much, Mr. J. We got just another week until we get to hang out with him again. Super amazing. Thank you, Mr. J, for showing that. And let's go ahead and let's continue on with our weekly update here at GokuMarket, because we have had a very exciting week. We've got so much news happening every single week at GokuMarket. I'll try to speed through this here for you before we end today's session here together. I want to tell you also that this week we just had the Bitcoin Pizza Day celebration as well. Every single year on May 22nd, we are celebrating the Bitcoin Pizza Day all around the world. What this means is that people are basically celebrating the fact that the very first thing that Bitcoin was used for commerce was to buy pizza, using 10,000 Bitcoin to buy 2 large Domino's pizzas. Can you imagine if you were the one selling those pizzas back in 2011? You would have had 10,000 Bitcoins today if you still were holding on to them. That would have made you a multi cha-ching millionaire. So again, we look forward. We'll be celebrating that next year again here with my family. We were, of course, eating pizza on May 22nd and celebrating with the Bitcoin Pizza Day. We also just announced last week that now with the GokuMarket credit, we are also launched on the Binance Smart Chain. So again, the GMC just on May 20th, we're launching related to the Binance Smart Chain as well. That news also reached all the way out to Yahoo Finance, to the bigbusinessnetwork.com, and many other news portals as well have been announcing this breaking news about the GokuMarket credit. We also had more than 50,000 active app users on the mobile app. We were celebrating that. So please, if you haven't done so already, you need to go to your app store or to your iOS and Google Play. Please download and install the GokuMarket app, ladies and gentlemen. Now, if you want to learn more about the GMC Vault, that's the one where you could earn 12% additional interest on your AI bot and DeFi, or you could just earn 12% more interest on all of your GMC once you just stick them into the vault. If you want to learn more about that, just head over to the FAQs faqs.gokumarket.news. That is faqs.gokumarket.news. And you'll be able to read up more about the GMC Vault right there. Last week, we also just launched the Pancake Swap that is now listed on GokuMarket for trading with US dollar Tether. We've also listed the Shiba Inu, which is like one of the world's most popular cryptocurrencies that truly has the potential of turning ordinary people into financially safe and secure people, millionaires for that matter, because there are trillions of Shiba Inu coins and tokens. And if the entire community just agrees that the valuation of them should be growing up and up, well, mark my words, if the market moves up, there is going to be hundreds, if not millions of people around the world that are going to be super happy for owning and holding Shiba Inu. And you can get it right here on GokuMarket using your US dollar Tether. We also have the Autobots marketplace that is powered by Moodrex, where in 3 simple steps, you could have control and power over your own trading bots. You could be, number 1, subscribing to them. That's you basically getting your own subscription. Number 2, you decide when you want to allocate funds, how much funds you want to allocate. And number 3, you just let the bot do its own trades whenever it wants to trade. And then you're just cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching away with your Autobots. This one gives you flexible time frames, gives you flexible amounts. It's a really, really amazing product for those of you who doesn't like or who doesn't want to have the steady and stable passive income of 0.85% per day. If you like that, you are good to go for the AI bot and DeFi. Now, let's just talk 1 second also about how amazing is GokuMarket. Well, number 1, a ranking website on the internet is called CoinMarketCap. And on CoinMarketCap, GokuMarket is now ranked as a global cryptocurrency company in the top 45, ladies and gentlemen. Last week, we were top 56, and now we have moved up to the number 45 spot. I have to say though, a lot of companies I think has been doing worse in the last week, and GokuMarket, we have just been doing better and better and better. So maybe that's the reason for the big jump. I don't know, but I hope that we're going to get to keep the 45th spot. Let's see where we are at next week. We touch on this topic every week. If you are not seeing your language on the presentations in the website, please go ahead and download the mobile app. Inside the GokuMarket mobile app, you can choose your language for Thai, Polish, Spanish, English, French, Vietnamese, Swedish, or Japanese. You've got 8 languages, ladies and gentlemen, that you could choose between inside the GokuMarket app. Make sure that you download the app. You can use the QR code on my screen right here, or you just head over to the App Store or to the Google Play and you type in GokuMarket. That's G-O-K-U Market. And that's it. You download the app, install it, and off you go. Super, super easy. Now, if you're worried about privacy, once you are using GokuMarket, as long as you're just using cryptocurrencies and you want to deposit and withdraw cryptocurrencies, then if you're using that for less than $50,000 in cryptocurrencies, no worries. There is no requirement for you to do your KYC. Also, I mentioned to you, if you want to transfer between GokuMarket wallets. So if you have a friend who's in GokuMarket, you're in GokuMarket, now you can use GokuMarket and transfer your cryptocurrencies absolutely zero for free of charge. And again, GokuMarket is a European licensed crypto exchange. We are safe, we are trustworthy, we are licensed, and we offer you 24/7 live chat and email support with the GokuMarket team as well. Even the Cointelegraph picked up on the news, sharing about GokuMarket being an amazing platform and European licensed. Because of that, you can do deposits with Euro on GokuMarket using SEPA, that single Euro payment area. And what else? Of course, why are we the most affordable Euro processing company for depositing and converting into crypto right now? Because we are charging zero fee, ladies and gentlemen. This means that you could be trading in all of your Euro euro, just paying the transfer fee of a few euro and having 0 fee for receiving it in, and then 0.25% for converting into Bitcoin. Now, where do we think Bitcoin is going from here? A lot of people are talking about it saying, oh, the bull run is over. I don't think so, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this picture right here. This is how the bull runs have been behaving for Bitcoin every 4-year cycle. First 3 cycles ago, you have the turquoise blue line where Bitcoin was skyrocketing. Then it came back, and then it was skyrocketing again, and then it came back. After that, we had the dark blue line where Bitcoin was just kind of steadily growing up and then correcting a little bit, and then growing up more, correcting a little bit and up again. So again, now we are in the red cycle, and look how amazing the bull run has been. It has been skyrocketing like nothing else. So it's only healthy that we now started to have a little bit of a correction. We've had it for a month or 2, or a month and a half, I should say. And so again, if this correction maybe lasts a few more weeks into next month or so, it is going to be a-okay, ladies and gentlemen. We still have time to resume back into our bull run. We can follow back up with the blue line. I also think that the red line is going to be dragged out longer. As you can see, the trend is your friend until the end. This means that probably the red line is going to not hit the top of its momentum until maybe 1.5 to 2 years into the bull run. Okay, that means we have at least another 6 to 12 months probably of the market moving upwards related to the red line. So again, how is all of this playing out with the GokuMarket credit? What's been happening there? Well, of course, the Bitcoin crash or the Bitcoin price coming down has also affected our GMC price as well. As you can see here on the screen, we've taken a massive beating here from all the way up at 25 cents. We came all the way actually down to 15 cents or even lower. And now we've bounced up at around 17 cents, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, this is it. Look at the picture. Look at how many days have we been at this low rate compared to being above this rate. And that should kind of give you an indication of, is this a good opportunity for GMC? Are we going lower? Are we going higher? Again, like Jay had a 60-40 outlook on the bullishness in the market. I have to say I'm a little bit more of a perma bull, so permanent bull. That means I'm probably more like 70-30, 75-25. I think we're going up from here, ladies and gentlemen. I've been wrong before, but let's wait and see, ladies and gentlemen. And I think GMC is an absolutely steal. It's an excellent option right here. And I also think that the GMC Vault is an excellent option as well, because once you buy your GMC and you can do the staking with the GMC, now you're locking them up and getting 12% more rewards per year. It's like cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. The money just keeps coming at you here at GokuMarket. So I hope that you have enjoyed today's session together with me, Christian Skoglund, or Christian CryptoCoiner. I am your Chief Marketing Officer here over at GokuMarket. I had the marketing manager, Mr. Jay Watt, with me here as well. And Mr. Jay had an absolutely phenomenal session with educating us about trading, about technical analysis, and where things could be moving from here. I can't wait to have Jay back on the line again next Thursday. This is so fantastic, everybody. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for hanging out with us here at GokuMarket, your one marketplace for the blockchain economy. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We are super appreciative of your time. We can't wait to see you next week again. Please stay safe, take good care, and all the best. Always trade from a position of strength. And don't forget to keep an eye on your every single day rewards. Get into your rewards wallet, convert your rewards in, shop with them, trade with them, reinvest with them, enjoy with them. This is GokuMarket, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, and so great to have you here. Thank you.